Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Bainbridge manufacturing PL1710BK. This is a 1710 plastic recessed drawer pull is what this is. And this video is going to serve as visual, dimensional evidence of the item. You can see the injection molding part number there, however that's done. I don't know how that's put on there. It might be in a mold. Plastic screws are not included. That center to center of those holes, they've got it 2 7/8. Black finish. Sold as each. Let's take some dimensional properties. Certainly feels of good quality. I get no sense that this would break under certainly standard or even light-duty commercial sorts of use. The overhead lights are a bit washing out the color of it. It's definitely black. All right, dimensional properties. Let's take a look. They have, first of all, they say number 6 screw is what you're going to need to run into that hole. Let's start with that hole size. My caliper's telling me that that's 0.123. 0.123 is the ID dimension. Okay. Overall length, 3 5/8. Yeah, I'd say that would be spot on. Maybe a bit shy on that. Overall height, about 1.5 inches. They've got it at, they've got the width at 1.5 inches. They have a projection of 1 inch. We'll gauge that here on the camera a bit. Projection would be closer to 1/2 inch. Okay. Overall width of the body itself, about 3 1/8. Overall height of the body itself, about 1 5/16 inches. Projection of the body looks like it's about 1/2 inch as well. So that projection of 1 inch, they're obviously giving you an overall size of what that's going to be. Routing for this, you're going to need to be right on the money, obviously, because you're going to be right close to the tip there. Center to center of 2 7/8. Let's take a I'd say that would be accurate. Doing it on the camera is a bit tough. It is accurate. That's 2 7/8. That's to be sure. Okay. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Bainbridge products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. Any questions on the Bainbridge? Number PL1710BK, black plastic recessed drawer pull 2 7/8 center to center, or any other Bainbridge product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.